Hi, I'm Eric Westrich, and you're watching Startup Show San Diego, a startup TV show about startup companies. And we're at the Esri User Conference in the Startup Zone. And we're here with Kailee Stewart, Sales Director for Maptiks. Kailee, welcome.
Hi, nice to be here.
So, how did you find Maptiks in the startup world? Were you always a startup person, a GIS person? What got you here?
I would say when I was working at Esri Canada and I was at a Eurissa BC event and met Will, who's the CTO of this company, and then I was like, hey, I'll make the switch.
So what did he have to say to you to lure you here? I've got a job, or was it more in depth than that?
More in depth. I went to school more so for analytics, and I'm background of marketing, and this is mapping analytics, tracking how users are actually engaging with your web maps. And I just found it really cool, and I thought this is a really neat thing to be in, and a niche within the niche, and not a lot of people are doing it. So.
Great. So who uses Maptik? How would I be your best customer?
If you're on the Esri platform, you use Maptiks. You want to see if you can build a better map for your users, how users are actually engaging with your web map to make sure that they're getting the proper usage, as well as you're also getting the best kind of usage out of your map. And if you need to change it, change the colors, change the zoom level, the layer loads, anything, it kind of tells you the story of how to build a better map.
So Kailee, as sales director, where do you focus most of your time? In other words, what's your biggest challenge?
Being in a startup is just getting Maptiks known. So making those phone calls, making those emails, going to trade shows, and trying to get Maptiks known that there is a device, a product out there, software as a service, that helps you with those particular needs or wants with your map.
So give me a particular example, somebody you're working with specifically where Maptiks has changed their life. Who's told you that you're on the right track?
The city of Burnaby out of BC, they are using it right now for their story maps, and they're noticing that there's a lot of people going to their maps, zooming around more than they actually thought that they needed, and so they want to integrate into more of their story maps and more of their web maps to see if their maps are too busy or if they're just right, and to see how their users are engaging with it, if they can do anything better or just keep it the same.
So Kailee, when we talk next year at this time, what are you going to be able to tell me then that you can't tell me now? In other words, where is Maptiks going in the next year?
It's going up. We're hoping for at least triple to 5 times more users, and I don't know, just hoping for really good things and that the future is bright.
And so the most important question, if somebody wants to learn more about you and Maptiks, where do they go?
www.maptiks.com.
Very good. Kate, thanks for being here. Thanks for what you do.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.